Hi, everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to share beef bone paya recipe. Clean white cloth. Coriander seeds 1 tablespoon. Shah cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Fennel seeds 1 tablespoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Green cardamom 15 pieces. Black cardamom 4 pieces. Mace 2 pieces. Star anise 2. Nutmeg 1. Bay leaf 2 pieces. Tight the cloth. Beef bone paya preparation. Beef bone 5 kilogram. Salt to taste. Whole spices we prepared earlier. Onion 1 large. Water as required. Cover and cook 10 minutes on high heat. Cover and slow cook 3 to 4 hours. Check in between. Take out the whole spices. Making masala. Red onion 1/3 cube cut. Fried onion 1/2 cup. Little bit water. Blend well. Special masala preparation. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Prepared onion paste. Garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Ginger paste 1.5 tablespoon. Chili powder 2 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 2 teaspoon. Coriander seeds crushed 1.5 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Salt as required. Cashmere chili powder 1 tablespoon. Clarified butter 2 tablespoon. Little bit water. Mix well. After 3.5 hours perfectly cooked. Add prepared masala. Stir and mix. Cook 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, separate the some oil from beef paya. We going to use later. Add cornstarch surely. Mix. Green chili. Coriander leaf. Mix. Cook 5 minutes, then serve. Done. Garnish with coriander leaf, sliced ginger, and green chili. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.